Hi, and welcome to another episode. Today we are finally going to find out whether this is capable of flying outdoors. It is a touch windy. We are at Southport seaside, and let's see first of all whether this is flyable with no app. First of all, just see whether this will actually will happily accept the wind conditions that we have. Maybe not. Right, so now we know something. We now know that it is possible that it doesn't like the wind, because the wind is pushing that way, but I would assume that you would be able to overcompensate this with just pressing the things, but I wasn't able to. Let's give it a couple more tries. I thought we would establish a baseline. So let's try to get the DJI up in the air, well, obviously within the same conditions, and see how that will cope, so we have anything to compare it to. Well, that looks fairly stable to me. Okay, so now we have a baseline. Take two on trying to get this one off the ground and hopefully stable. Well, what? Come on, you can do it. Come on. I'm literally trying to get it all there, and as you can see, it's having a very hard time actually fighting the wind, because as soon as I try to let it go, it's getting blown away. Right, so I guess that's the end decision for today. It is way too windy for this drone to fly. Oh well. That works as well, I guess, as a landing. But at least it did land. So yeah, that will be it for the moment. Now let's see what I've imagined this to be, or what it could have been. Let's have a look at a more controlled environment, if you will. So this is my backyard. We've got a wall here, we've got a wall there, and we've got a live fence, so to say, here. Let's see if this will work.
not really on purpose, was it? Oh my god. Oh, come on. Oh.